course I'll be posting Kiss, Keep It Stylish Sexy, fashion trends and fashion faux pas. You never know what you find in public places. Hi everyone, I'm Wilma Haerkens. I'm your makeover specialist. And you know that I like to post my Kiss pictures. Keep it stylish, sexy pictures. And we have one for you today, and we're going to talk about it a little bit. So one of my Facebook friends posted a picture of herself. What I noticed was, here's a picture of her going to the airport, and unfortunately, people just don't dress like that anymore when they go to the airport. You know, they get really comfortable. Not to say that everybody is like that and not that anybody dresses up and it's only her. I'm not saying that. But it's so rare now to see people getting dressed up to go to the airport. So really kudos to this lady, because she not only designs fabulous rooms and has been an interior designer as a career in her life, but she also knows how to put herself together. And when I saw this picture, I really wanted to use it, and I've asked for her permission to share it with you. So here's a glimpse of what she looks like before she's ready to walk out that door and head to the airport. Now, isn't this amazing? Like, she looks fabulous, and she's lost a lot of weight recently, and obviously she's very proud, and she should be.
Kiss, Keep It Stylish Sexy is all about following trends, getting inspiration, and enlightening style tips and tricks so that you can avoid those fashion faux pas. One of our videos might have you on there. Showing what? What are we going to be seeing on your back? Is it going to be a trend or a fashion faux pas? You tell me. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. If you enjoyed this video, please give us the thumbs up. And remember, caring is sharing. Thanks for watching. Remember, kiss, keep it stylish, sexy. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.